Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you really simple curls natural hairstyle. So if you follow my video, I'm always share black woman natural hairstyle, ladies natural hairstyle. So if you want something to put on your hair, natural hairstyle, I think you have to follow this channel. You have to subscribe so that when I put any video, guys, today I bring for you really, this is really so cute, simple, nice, and the other thing, you can do it for yourself. So guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Deborah. I'm always here share different natural hairstyle, Carol's natural hairstyle, how to style your natural hair, quick hair. So if you want to go somewhere but you look something to put on your hair, I think you're going to find it here, or you can check on my channel. You can find it different natural hairstyle and still you can look good. So guys, you can see this is really simple, nice, beautiful, makes you feel so confident, comfortable, and you look so cute. If you looking so cute, I'm sure even you feel so comfortable, you feel so, so guys, you can see this is really so easy. If you want to put some curls in your hair, I hope you're going to watch the video option so that you can find something, because I bring for you 5 different natural hairstyle on this video. So it depends to you. I hope you're going to find something like this one. It's really so, you can see she really looking so beautiful. She feels so cute and confident. If you're looking good, guys, look what you're going to see this. You can do it for yourself. If you don't have money to go to salon, you can buy your product and you keep it at your home. You can do it yourself. But if you cannot do it yourself, it's better go to salon so that you can feel so comfortable. So guys, welcome to my channel once again. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Another thing, you can share. So even me, I'm here to share with you guys different hairstyle for ladies, for girls. So guys, enjoy the video and I hope you're going to like it. And the other thing, I should like you to find here something you're looking for, or you're looking something to put in your hair. So guys, enjoy the video up to end, and I hope you like it. Okay guys, enjoy the video. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe if your first time to find this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, enjoy the video up to end so that you can find something put on your hair and you look so elegant, beautiful, and cute.